The UN and Water Resource Management. The UN and Water Resource Management. Water, the source of life, is a finite and essential resource that sustains all living beings on our planet. As the global population continues to grow and environmental challenges escalate, the efficient and sustainable management of water resources has become a pressing concern. The importance of water resource management. Without adequate water supply and proper management, these sectors can suffer significant setbacks, affecting economic growth, human health, and the environment. The birth of UN's involvement in water resource management. The United Nations recognized the importance of water resource management early on. In 1977, the Mar del Plata Action Plan highlighted water as a vital resource and emphasized the need for integrated water management to achieve sustainable development. This marked a significant step toward acknowledging the interlinkages between water, development, and environmental conservation. As a result, various UN entities and programs began to address water-related issues more comprehensively. UNWater, coordinating efforts for a water-secure world. One of the key initiatives of the UN in the realm of water resource management is UNWater. Established in 2003, UNWater acts as a coordination mechanism, bringing together multiple UN entities and international organizations working on water-related matters. It facilitates collaboration, information sharing, and joint efforts to address the global water crisis. UNWater plays a crucial role in advocating for integrated water resource management approaches. By promoting the integration of social, economic, and environmental considerations, it strives to ensure that water management decisions are balanced and sustainable. This approach is aligned with the UN's broader agenda, including the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, which aim to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. The role of UNWater in achieving the SDGs. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, adopted by all UN member states in 2015, includes 17 interconnected SDGs designed to tackle pressing global challenges. Water resource management is intricately linked to several of these goals. Goal 6 specifically focuses on ensuring availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. UNWater plays a critical role in advancing Goal 6 by providing guidance, data, and best practices to member states, encouraging them to implement effective water policies and initiatives. Moreover, water resource management has a ripple effect on other SDGs. For example, Goal 2, Zero Hunger, relies on sustainable water use for agriculture, while Goal 7, Affordable and Clean Energy, requires water for hydropower generation. By addressing water-related challenges, UNWater contributes to a broader spectrum of sustainable development objectives. Transboundary water management, promoting cooperation. Many water bodies, such as rivers and lakes, span multiple countries, giving rise to transboundary water management challenges. Disputes over shared water resources can lead to conflicts that transcend national boundaries. The UN plays a vital role in promoting transboundary water cooperation through various mechanisms. The UN Watercourses Convention, adopted in 1997, provides a framework for the equitable and reasonable utilization of transboundary watercourses and the prevention of potential disputes. This convention serves as a guide for countries in negotiating water sharing agreements and adopting collaborative approaches to manage shared water resources. Climate change and water management. Climate change poses a significant threat to water resources worldwide. Changes in precipitation patterns, rising temperatures, and increased frequency of extreme weather events can exacerbate water scarcity, pollution, and flooding. The UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, addresses these challenges by promoting international cooperation to mitigate and adapt to climate change impacts. In the context of water resource management, the UNFCCC encourages countries to consider water-related issues in their climate adaptation and mitigation strategies. Integrated water management approaches that account for climate variability and change are crucial for ensuring the resilience of water systems in the face of a changing climate. Challenges and future prospects. While the UN has made significant strides in addressing water resource management challenges, several obstacles persist. Water scarcity continues to affect many regions, exacerbated by factors like population growth and inefficient water use. Lack of access to clean water and sanitation remains a pressing issue, particularly in low-income areas. Additionally, the impacts of climate change necessitate adaptive strategies and investments in water infrastructure. Looking ahead, the UN's role in water resource management will remain crucial. As the world population is projected to grow and climate challenges intensify, the need for sustainable water management will only increase. The UN must continue to foster collaboration, advocate for integrated approaches, and provide support to member states in their efforts to achieve water security and sustainable development. Conclusion. Water resource management stands as one of the most critical global challenges of our time. The United Nations, through its various initiatives and entities like UNWater, has demonstrated a steadfast commitment to addressing these challenges. As nations work together to secure access to clean water for present and future generations, the UN's leadership and collaboration will be instrumental in realizing a water-secure world. Innovations and collaborations, paving the way forward. Addressing the complex challenges of water resource management requires innovative solutions and collaborative efforts. The UN has been at the forefront of promoting innovative approaches that leverage technology, data, and partnerships to enhance water management practices. Water data and information sharing. Access to accurate and timely data is fundamental for informed decision-making in water resource management. The UN supports efforts to collect, analyze, and share water-related data at various scales, from local to global. Initiatives like the World Water Development Report provide comprehensive assessments of the world's water resources, helping policymakers and stakeholders understand trends and challenges. Furthermore, digital technologies, including remote sensing, geographic information systems, GIS, and sensor networks, play a crucial role in monitoring and managing water resources. The UN encourages the adoption of these technologies to improve water efficiency, monitor water quality, and predict water-related hazards. Public-private partnerships.